How to add breakfast on your diary? Firstly, you have to open the MyFitnessPal app. You can see here search for a food, write the name of the food which you want to add to your diary. Like I want to add macaronis, McDonald. You have to select the type of the food according to your calories. You have to write I am going to select a tea here in this way. How you can see here select a meal and click on lunch here. In this way click on the check mark. Now you can see move back and click on diary here. You can see here your lunch diary will be prepared with your choice. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.